So what's up, YouTube? So here we have here suspected a turbo failure. So we're gonna spin the cartridge here, the impeller, if the impeller is working or not. So to make our life easier, we just need to remove the intake pipe on the turbo. Not this one. This is the exhaust pipe here going to the we don't remove this one because this one is kind of bleeding hard because that's fucking rusty in there, and turbo bolts and nuts are seized, so we don't have to remove this here. We don't take it from here, instead we take it from here, because the impeller, if the impeller is seized on this side, so as well as on this side as well, because they are working as one, so easier here to remove. So we're gonna investigate on what's going on this turbo, because it's been reported that it has no power. Like, obviously, if the turbo is gone or the impeller is gone, then obviously you have no power. It doesn't push on everything. So we're gonna stick it here. We're gonna look around here and what's going on. Remove this clip so it will not pull down. And then pull up this. See the adapter hose remove. And here, yeah, cease.
What's started, Lucas?
I'm not Lucas. See that fucking thing? Cease. The impeller.
Yeah, turbo seals. Grand. That's all I need to know. Put it around the back, Chris.
So the turbo cease, guys. So turbo is fuck, obviously. So we're gonna put this at the back. We're gonna change the fucking turbo here. So cease. Just fuck. So that's the symptoms of bad turbo, guys. Turbo is cease. It's fuck. Remember, guys, obviously, to make our life easier and only to know if or only to check that the turbo is seized, you're gonna have to remove the intake only, not this one here, because this one takes a lot more here. The bolt there is fucking seized and everything, and you have to fuck, so a lot of works in there. So only to know, only to check, just remove the fucking intake, and then you can have here the shaft. As you can see here, the light on, you can have here the impeller shaft and cease. So that's only the quickest thing to get. Here, remove here, not this. This is for the exhaust manifold pipe. So if you only want to check if the impeller is seized or not, you will take ages here if you remove this thing. this part here. Instead, you remove the intake here, and that's it. That's how to quick check on the turbo. See that? You can see impeller there. See that impeller? You can see. Yeah. So that's how to check quickly the turbo, guys. Just remove the intake pipe, and you can touch around there the impeller or the shaft, and that's it. So guys, that is how to check the turbo condition in 5 minutes. Just remove the intake pipe, and then that's it. You can reach out the impeller shaft or the drive shaft on the turbo, impeller shaft, and that's it. That's how to check quick check on the turbo. Thank you.